Hi friends, and welcome to our pronunciation reference course. My name's Sophie and I'm helping you learn the 44 English sounds. Today we're on number 6 and that sound is the sound K. Now sometimes this can be a little bit tricky just because it can be spelt with a kicking K or a curly K. The sound K is known as an unvoiced sound and it's a consonant. The words that we're going to be focusing on today are cat, kid and create. Those words again? Cat, kid and create. Now the sound K can also be known as a velar stop. Another new term I know, but don't worry, it's really simple. A velar stop means that we just use the tongue to block the air as it goes past the ridge of the teeth. So, in this case, I'm going to show you really slowly. We push the tongue a little bit forward, and as we do that, the middle of the tongue goes up towards the top of the mouth, like so. As we do that, we produce a block of air just behind the tongue, and the sound K is produced as we drop that air and the tongue down to the bottom of the mouth and the pressure goes out of the front. So let me show you again. Mouth nice and loose. Tongue pushed a little bit forward, but the middle bit reaching the top of the tongue, of the top of the mouth. Perfect. And then the block of air gets pushed forwards as the tongue drops down on the K. Are we ready? K. K. And those words again? Kid, cat, create. Those words again? Kid, cat, create. Perfect. Now the words kid, cat and create all have the sound K at the beginning. Words like become and school have the K sound in the middle. Words like back and broke have the K sound at the end. Can you think of any more K words? I bet you can think of loads, and just remember that practice really does make perfect. I'll see you next time for our 7th sound, and you keep on practicing with this fantastic Lingwizer mobile app, the chance for you to become an English pro. I'll see you next time. Bye!